Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the RYOBI ONE Plus 18V Cordless Hand Vacuum with Powered Brush, a versatile tool designed to tackle your cleaning needs with ease. This renewed model, the PCL700B, boasts a powerful mini motorized beater bar that effortlessly lifts dirt and debris from various surfaces, making it perfect for quick cleanups around the house or in your car. Equipped with a crevice tool and dust brush, it ensures no corner is left untouched, while the HEPA filter captures fine particles, providing a cleaner and healthier environment. The sleek black and green design not only looks great but also complements the robust performance of this hand vacuum. Powered by the reliable RYOBI ONE Plus 18V battery system, this tool offers cordless convenience, allowing you to move freely without being tethered to an outlet. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or everyday dust, the RYOBI ONE Plus 18V Cordless Hand Vacuum is your go-to solution for efficient and effective cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and cleaning tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.